So what do we have here today, guys? What we have here is something for those people who believe in the motto, go hard or go home. Something for those people who jump on the football field thinking they're Lionel Messi. Something for those people who, when they see their crush, they try to flex a muscle, but they flex the muscle too much. This right here is going to change your life. In fact, you know what? I hope it changes your life. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and unbox this. Well, now I wasn't expecting this. I thought there was going to be another box in here, but it looks like there's no box. So zero for effort on that. So what we have here is a carry case for the item. It is quite strong. So whatever is in here, it will protect it really well. I have no doubt about that. You have the carry handle here and you've got a zip going all the way around. So let's open it to see what's inside. So here it is, guys. This is a deep tissue massage gun and it's made by a company called Udream. So just take this off, put it to the side. It looks really good. It looks nice. It is quite strong. It's got a handle here which feels very comfortable, very smooth. At the back here there's just something which you peel off. I'm guessing this is a screen which gives you information about what speed you're using it at. And there's a hole here. This is for where these different types of heads go in. So if you just keep that to the side, look at the different types of heads we have. We have this big round ball. We have like a bullet shape one here. We have another one which is flat headed. And we have one here which is a bit of a weird shape. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but this also comes along with it. So you get the charging cable. It is a UK 3-pin. And we get two other heads which are even more weirder shape than the last one was, but this is what you get. So coming back to the gun itself, it is nice and small. It comes with a carry case so you can take it around with you. And also if you look at this side, we have something here. We have two little pieces here which I'm not sure what they're for, but we'll have a look at the gun and maybe we'll be able to decide what they're for. We have an instruction manual. So to switch the gun on, at the bottom here, you can see there's a switch. It's off at the moment, you put it on. This lights up. This is quite nice actually. I like this lighting here. Gives it a nice touch. Makes the item look better. At the back here you have a screen. I'm assuming this side is for the speed. And this here is the charge. I've not charged it, but at the moment it's come on. So let's see if it works. So if you press the power button, it goes to 1 straight away. It's on 1 speed and it's vibrating already. I think the most speed on here is 30. Let's see if we can put it up to 30 and does it go anymore. So at the moment it says 30 speed. So at 30 speed your battery is 60. I'm assuming that's percent, 60%. Now I'm not going to test this because if I'm honest I don't know how to use it. But there is an instruction manual with it. So if you guys were to purchase this, read the instruction manual, find out how to use it before you use it. But I'm going to comment on 30. It does feel kind of powerful. If you look at the ball, it is moving quite fast. If I just test it in my hand slowly, yeah, there's quite a bit of power to it there. So assuming that would do the job for you guys. But I would say this is quite a handy thing to keep. You play football, you go to the gym and you feeling your muscles are a bit tense. This would be a good idea to use this and just to relax those muscles and just to make you feel better. That was a already unboxing of a deep tissue massage gun. Now these two pieces which we saw earlier, I still don't know what they're for, but all I can say is that they fit into here, but none of these pieces actually fit once that's gone in. So I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but this item cost me around about £40. It is very cheap, it's good, so I would recommend that you buy this. It would really help. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. My links will be in the description box below. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.